What's happening here?
I didn't do nothing.
What?
Double negatives are one of the most common mistakes among beginners. Let's see how can we avoid them. I didn't do nothing. We have two negative words here. Didn't and nothing. Let's avoid the first negative word, didn't. So we get I did nothing. Or else we can avoid the second negative word, nothing, and we can replace it with anything. So it goes like this. I didn't do anything. Here we have I didn't never visit the museum. What are the two negative words here? Didn't and never. So it could be either I didn't ever visit the museum or I never visited the museum. I didn't disturb no one. It could be either I didn't disturb anyone or I disturbed no one. Here we have another example. I don't want neither chocolate nor ice cream. We can rewrite it as either I don't want either chocolate or ice cream, or I want neither chocolate nor ice cream. In some instances, it goes like this too. Two negatives make a positive. Let's check an example. This is not unnatural. So what are the negative words here? Not and unnatural. The prefix un is negative. Though we have two negative words here, it gives a positive sense. So this is not unnatural implies this is natural. Hope you liked this video, and please don't forget to share this video with those who may benefit from this.